Hello, and welcome to a short overview of the Environmental Technician Program at St. Lawrence College. The Environmental Technician Program is a 2-year Ontario diploma program offered on the Cornwall campus. There is also an Environmental Technician Program 1-year fast track option available for prospective students with an appropriate university degree. Students coming to this program should have a passion for environmental issues and should be interested in learning the science and technological skills related to this field. This program was started in a partnership with the River Institute, a non-government, nonprofit organization located on the college campus, and our ongoing relationship with the River Institute is what makes the Environmental Technician program at St. Lawrence College unique. Our program includes many field courses and labs. Many are taught by River Institute staff, as well as professors working at other institutions relating to the field. Courses like microbiology, ecotoxicology, freshwater ecology, environmental sampling techniques, and site characterization are examples of hands-on courses either given in a lab environment or in the field. At the end of the program, students apply to locations that interest them to gain on-the-job training as part of a 160-hour or approximately 4-week full-time unpaid placement. Opportunities vary, but many students have finished placement and been offered summer contract work once placement is finished, or at the very least have a variety of new skills and experiences that help them find employment once they graduate. Environmental technician graduates have many options to continue their studies with post-secondary institutions across Canada and around the world if this is something that interests them. Agreements between St. Lawrence College and other institutions that are specific to this program are listed on our website. Our program is close-knit, and we are fortunate to keep in contact with many of our alumni, and they give back to St. Lawrence College students by acting as guest speakers, providing field trip opportunities, and taking on placement students. Our alumni go on to work at a variety of locations. For example, they may work at environmental consulting firms, water and wastewater treatment plants, in various government ministries, industry and private companies, at testing labs, research institutes, conservation authorities, in agri-tech, or many other locations. If you have any further questions about our program, I encourage you to visit our website or connect with me. My name is Jordan Ann Kevin DeHaan, and I'm the Environmental Technician Program Coordinator. Please reach me at jkevin@sl.on.ca. Thank you. Hope to see you in September.